Hi children, this is Uma. Today we are going to see about Chemistry Chapter 2 Sorting Materials into Groups Part 3. Learning Objective: to know about appearance, hardness and softness, solubility and insolubility, float or sink, and objects and its types. Properties: the features or characteristics of a material, such as its appearance, hardness, solubility or insolubility, float or sink, and transparency, are called its properties. Appearance: different kinds of materials such as wood, plastic, metal, glass, and pottery look different from each other. Even different metals such as iron, copper, aluminium, and zinc appear different from each other. At the same time, they have some similarities also. Mostly, all the metals are lustrous in nature. Lustrous means shiny appearance. Hardness: some metals or objects cannot be pressed with hands or scratched or cut easily. Such objects shows hardness. Examples: wood, glass, a piece of stone, metal key, and iron objects. Soft: materials or objects which can be compressed with hands or scratched or cut easily are considered as soft. Examples: cotton and sponge. Soluble: if a substance dissolves, that is, mixes completely in water, then it is said to be soluble. Salt and sugar dissolves completely in water. So, these are soluble in nature. Insoluble: if a substance does not dissolve or mix at all in the water, then it is said to be insoluble. When you mix sand and water, then it will not mix, but it will settle down in the bottom of vessel or container. Float: a substance which stays on the surface of a liquid is known as floating. Best example: ship or paper ship stays on the surface of water. Sink: a substance which doesn't float but it goes down the surface of a liquid. In this picture, stone and coins are settled at the bottom of the container. It shows that stone and coin are sinking in the water. The weight of the object plays a major role in sinking. Based on transparency or ability to see through, materials can be classified as follows. Materials are classified into three types. They are transparent, translucent, and opaque. Transparent. Materials through which you can see clearly are called transparent. Through the clear glass window, easily we can see outside of the room. So, clear glass is said to be a transparent material. Another example is pure water. Translucent. Materials through which you can see things only partially are called translucent material. Could you tell about the objects present inside this through the frosted glass in this picture? No. Same thing will happen with oily paper and butter paper. So these are the examples of translucent materials. Opaque. Materials through which you cannot see anything are called opaque materials. Example: wooden block and metal. Here I have given you some questions. Read these questions carefully and write your answers in an A4 sheet. Question number 1. Name any two shiny objects. Number 2. Why are cutting tools mostly made of metals? Number 3. Name one substance which is soluble and One which is insoluble in water. Number 4. Name the property on which floating or sinking of the substance depends. Number 5. How do you classify materials? Thank you.